Okay guys, for another example, natay trigonometric functions. So in terms ani, again, pwede na to i-transpose okay, into sa right side ang isa ka equation. So pwede in terms of x or in terms of y. So pwede na to i-transpose si tan y dy. So we have x cos squared y then dx then equal to negative tan y then dy. Okay, so far, ang atuang pwede lang ma-transpose is si cos squared y. So, multiply na lang na to. Divide both sides. Divide both sides by cos squared y. Then, cos squared y. So, cancel out. Then, nata equation na x dx. Then, negative tan y dy over cos squared y. Okay, pag i-derive ba nimo si cos, tan ang answer. So, dili. So, pangita na to pamagi kung unsaon. So, x dx is equal to negative. Right. So, pwede na to gamitan og identity ang ato ang 1 over cos y equivalent siya kay sec squared y. So, natay tan y then sec squared y dy. Okay? So, ang ato ang u diri is yun nato is si tan y. Then, du is so du sa ato ang tan that is sec squared y then dy. Okay? Then we have x integrate x dx that is x squared over 2 then equal to negative is negative tan then squared y over 2 then plus c. Okay, para mas madalian ta guys, pwede ang constant nato in terms nato sa ilahang terms. Ang x squared, ang x nato na squared, si tan y na squared, then atay denominator nga 2, 2. So, pwede nato ni-input 2, then si c may muog squared. So, reason sa nako ni guys. Wala na erase. Delete na to. So, the final answer is, di ba, pwede na to ni ma-cancel both sides. Okay, sorry. Pwede na to ma-cancel both sides. Then, the final answer is x squared is equal to negative tan squared y then plus c squared. Then transpose tan, negative tan, the left side x squared plus tan squared y is equals to c squared. Then final answer. Okay, thank you guys.